Hello friends, it's Christy. Welcome to Bentley Daily Houseplants. In today's video, I am sharing with you some new cash envelopes that I just received. So let's take a look. Alrighty friends, so before we open this sweet little package from Homemade with Her, I am going to show you the sad state of affairs with my current cash envelopes. So if you go back in my channel, I did a video on how I make these cash envelopes from the Budget Mom. Look at, I just used glue. They have served me well for just over a year now, but they are starting to fall apart. So I decided I would get some new cash envelopes. And so what I have here, again, this is from an Etsy shop called Homemade with Her. Look at how cute they're packaged. I bought some new cash envelopes, and you're going to be kind of surprised because it's a little different for me. But these are vinyl envelopes because I like the fact of I wanted them to be, you know, like kind of more long lasting. The paper ones are great, and I liked them because I bought the digital downloads for those paper ones, and I would just reprint them year after year, and I think I've reprinted them like for the last 3 years now. I thought I would give these vinyl ones a try. How cute are these, right? So they have like a little zip closure, and I'm hoping they will fit in here. I kind of went off of like what I saw most of them, and I think, oh yeah, the holes line up. So I think hopefully it'll fit. The only thing that I'm a little concerned about is like the zipper here getting wide. So I will show you, I did one for my food, my fun, gifts, miscellaneous, Otis, how cute is that? Personal, and then Christmas. And then let's see, what is this? Oh, this is just a little card from them. Your order means the world to us. We hope you enjoy. Oh, that's really nice. Okay, now what I also have here are just some of the little like tracker sheets here. So basically what this is I printed these from the envelope and I just cut it down. So what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and take all of these out, take out the old ones. Let's get all of these out. Okay, and then I have like an order to them. I don't know why, friends, but I always like to do so food first, and then the fun, and then kind of basically it's alphabetical. Gifts, miscellaneous, Otis. And it looks like these are just like, this is just like vinyl cut and adhered to these little plastic envelopes. Personal. And then I put Christmas in the very back because it's like once a year, right? Like it's not till the end of the year. I can see a little bit of bubble there. But, so, oh God, there was an Otis hair. So then what I thought, let me see, I would do is each one of these envelopes, I'll stick like one of these little things inside so I can kind of keep track if I need to. So there's food. I don't really track here on the food, fun, and miscellaneous because that goes in my budget tracker, but I do for like Otis and personal because that's just sort of like it's more of a sinking fund more than a cash envelope. So it's kind of, it rotates or like it refills and replenishes. Okay, and then, oops, which way do I open it? There we go. But I'm just going to go ahead, I'm going to put one of these in each of these here. Just see what I have. Here's Otis. I might need another one. And then here's personal. Yeah, I need one more for Christmas. That's fine. Okay, so then, let's see, here's my Christmas envelope. I'll go ahead and I'm just going to go ahead and put this cash in there. I want to see how this all fits, friends. Okay. Oops. I've watched several budgeting videos where a few folks have these. Oh yeah. No, look at that. Oh, I love it. I love it. I just feel like it's more secure than paper. let's see, this is Otis's blank envelope. And then I have not gone to the bank yet to get my cash for my cash envelope. Oh, wait, there's still cash. Oh, leftover cash, friends. This is out of the fun. So let's put that in there. Let's see. I think I forgot I had leftover cash. I'm going to put it in the fun for now, but it'll eventually go to either Christmas or Otis. And then I didn't have anything for gifts or miscellaneous. Okay, here's Otis's envelope. I'm about to go pick up a new refill on his prescriptions for him. So we'll put all of his money in there. Oh, so far, friends, I am really liking this. And then the personal. Sophie wants to get a haircut, so oops, PM. Oh, I like this. Now, I know, like, see, I don't carry this around, so I'm not worried about, like, people being able to see through these. But if I were to, like, just say, hey, I want to take my personal envelope with me, or I'm going to take the Otis envelope because I'm going to pick up his medications, I could just put, like, a piece of white paper here to cover it so you wouldn't see, like, the bills inside of it. But it's in my purse. Okay, so now, let's see, I've got all of these little zip tabs there in this one spot, so I'm hoping that this will still zip. Oh yeah, totally fine. And again, friends, if you've missed some of my previous budgeting videos from like last year, this is a Filofax, little like full agenda folder. I can't talk today, friends. Agenda folio. So I took just the calendar out and tossed that. Oh, I love the way this works, friends. I'm so happy. So let's see how long these hold up. So again, I've got a food one, fun money, gifts, miscellaneous, Otis, personal, and Christmas. So that's it. These are my new cash envelopes. I'm really excited about them. All right, friends, that's it for this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe so you can catch future content on my channel. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.